Hello and welcome to this video presentation on how students can use the Merit Project's Moodle Analyzer app for student performance tracking in Power BI, made by TALTECH. To protect student privacy, all displayed details, including names and key identifiers, have been randomized and altered. This ensures that no actual student information is shown. We will focus on the performance in subjects view in the first place. This view helps you filter courses based on TALTECH's modules. Main filtering is done by bookmark views based on curriculum modules, but you can pick single courses too. Then there are two drill-through options to go more into details. The first option allows you to see the progress in all courses you are enrolled in within this module. The second option lets you drill down into more specific details like tasks and grades for each course. Let's take a look at how this works. In the Performance in Subjects view, currently I'm set as Abigail Miller to view it. Once you're in the Performance and Subjects view, start by selecting the relevant module filter. If wanted, you can select individual courses too. In our example, we'll use Industrial Engineering, and I can add EMT 860 to it, but I'll remove it for the time being. If there is an authentication system for the Power BI environment set up, then it's possible to make this view user-based, so the logged-in user will only see his data. Here you can see your overall progress across all the courses in that particular model. You'll see how you're performing in each course with a summary of your grades. Now, if you want to get more specific, you can drill through to view your individual performance in all courses. Simply select your name and choose Drill Through to filter student options. So, right-click on your name, Drill Through, and filter students. This allows you to focus on how you are performing in all the courses you are enrolled in. Let's go back to the Performance in Subjects view and open up the Drill Through for student results. For this, right-click on your name, go to Drill Through and select Students' Results. In the Students' Results view, you'll see a breakdown of your performance in each course. Let's go through the columns you'll be working with. The first column shows the short name of the course, making it easy to identify which course the task belongs to. Under each course, you'll find a list of specific tasks, such as assignments, quizzes, and exams. Each task is a graded component of your course. Final grade. This column displays the grade you receive for each task. It reflects your performance in each individual assignment or exam. The next column shows the maximum possible grade for each task. This helps you to understand how close your score is to the achievable mark. The final column is the percentage you have relative to the maximum grade. This column is color-coded to give you an at-a-glance view of your performance. Green represents strong performance, orange or yellow indicates moderate performance, and red signals for lower or failing performance. This color coding helps you to quickly see how well you are doing in each task course, so you can easily identify where you need to focus more attention. By using the Performance in Subjects view and its drill-through options, you'll be able to track your progress across all the courses within the module, drill down to see individual tasks at great details, stay informed about your performance, and plan your study time more effectively. With these features, you'll have everything you need to stay on top of your academic responsibilities and make adjustments to your learning strategies as needed. Thank you for watching this video on how students can use the Merit Project's Moodle Analyzer app.